They hunt snow leopards for their fur. If they keep hunting, they will die out or become extinct. That is why some people protect endangered species. Thank you. Did you know that approximately 5,000 endangered animals die each year?
No.
Think about how many would die in 10 years.
1.5 million?
Poaching is part of the problem. People hunt endangered species to make a large profit out of them. For example, they hunt tigers for their beautiful striped coat. Now, there are only about 3,200 endangered tigers remaining in the wild. Snow leopards are another endangered species. They have a beautiful misty coat. They suffer from habitat loss of food, and of course, poaching. Other endangered species are the giant panda, polar bears, and mountain gorillas. You see, people who poach make a lot of money. They don't care about the animals. That is why we need to protect these animals so that the next generation of people can enjoy them